This quick video, I am going to show you the value of using Sponsorship Guru as a tool to assess which companies are more likely to do sponsorships, and for that matter, which companies to avoid when doing applications because they're known not to sponsor. I am now inside LinkedIn and I have the jobs tab open. And so these are the jobs recommended for me for my profile. Of course, yours will look a little bit different. And by looking at these basic job descriptions, I can't quite tell which companies are more likely to do a work visa application for me. So I select one. In this case, I have Senior Executive Partner open for high ticket teams. And I am going to click on this icon right here. This is a Sponsorship Guru icon. And it's going to tell me for this company, it's going to make an assessment by looking at our database and looking at their profile on LinkedIn to tell us what they know about this company in terms of sponsorship. Notice that this company is scored 2.3 out of 5 stars and it's giving me a conclusion. They're saying it's viable with fair sponsorship potential. So not a stellar score, but it's one that I know that I stand the chance of receiving a work visa application, being granted that benefit for with this company. Below in the lower part, you see many other companies that have done work visa applications in the past for similar jobs. So that gives us a clue of other, places that we can look at. We don't know right now if they have jobs open, but we can try these companies to see if they have any openings that match our work profile. So we can close this and we can go on to the next company. We're going to look at Lena. So this company, we have a job for regional partnerships director. And again, we don't know if this is a company that is willing to do a work visa application. We open our plugin and it's again running that through the databases and looking for information on this company. And notice that here they say they are a verified visa sponsor, meaning that in the last 3 years, this company has done a work visa application, or at least one. In this case, they have done 23, and they have even in that time frame sponsored 3 international students. So they get a very high score, 5. So absolutely apply for this job because the chances when they do a work visa application once, the chances of them doing that again are very high. Let's look at one more example. Let's try this one right here. We have regional general manager for pair team. So we select that company and we open the plugin and see what happens here. Again, pulling the data from all the databases, and notice that it says no stars. This job does not sponsor or it requires security clearance. So it detected something in the profile of this company that detects or it knows that it's a company unlikely or certainly not a sponsor potential company. Let me close this and see what triggered. Usually it's at the bottom of these job descriptions. And here it is. In this case, what tripped the no is that they use E-Verify. Every time you see E-Verify, it means that this company is going to run your profile through a database owned by the government, and that database indicates that you are working on OPT and you will require a work visa application later. So for that reason, you're better off skipping this company and moving on. So as you can see, in a single view, we had one company that was viable, not a stellar score, but you could have worked with Lena, who actually does do work visa applications, a great candidate, and another one here that absolutely you can avoid. You don't have to apply for this company because you'll waste your time. So you optimized your job search by using this wonderful plugin extension. So I wish you success in your job search.